Welcome to Smart School Kids Zone, your favorite school. And today's topic is useful tools. So let's begin. Useful tools. There are so many tools are available around us. Some are complicated and some are very simple, but very useful to us. So today we will see these simple but useful tools. So let's begin. Before that, you just go ahead and visit our website smartschool.infolips.com and check our educational Android game and craft channel, which links are given in the description. So let's continue. Useful tools. Let's learn some useful tools. See here. The first picture is saw. SAW, saw. Let's see. Second one. This is hammer. HAMMER, hammer. Let's see next one. This is tester. TESTER, tester. See here next one. This is very simple but very useful. It's a nail cutter. NAILCUTTER, nail cutter. This is pliers. PLIERS, pliers. Let's see next one. What is? It's a scissor. SCISSOR, scissor. See, this is also very important. It's a spanner. SPANNER, spanner. See, this is electric iron. ELECTRICIRON, iron. Let's see next one. This is screwdriver. SCREWDRIVER, screwdriver. See, this is one more important. It's a drill. DRILL, drill machine. Let's see another one. This is brush. BRUSH, it's a brush. Let's see next. This is also very simple but very useful. It's a chain. CHAIN, chain. See, next one. It's a sewing machine. SAWING MACHIN, sewing machine. This is also very simple but very useful. It's a torch. TORCH, torch. Let's see next one. Oh, it's ladder. LADDER, ladder. See next one. Wow, this is most important. It's a lock. LOCK, lock. Oh, this is also useful for farmers. It's a shovel. SHOVEL, shovel. Thank you. We have seen the very simple but useful tools, and these are easily available around us. So you just remember these names. If you like this video, then please click the like button, comment it and share with your friends. Also subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload the new video, you will get a notification. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye.